Well, good afternoon and Merry fucking Christmas. Came down to the old garage today. Figured I'd do a little work. I was a little bored, so I've had this fucking thing sitting in a corner now forever. I want to try to make a mini-me. Hence the seat cover matches the old 350X. So, picked it up a while ago and just been sitting around. I've been getting fucking pieces here, pieces there. I've had that 125 life in it now for at least a fucking year. So, figured I finally bolted it down today. Got this little hydraulic clutch set up, but I'm pretty sure that fucking thing's been sitting so long. She is smoked. Like 20 bucks on eBay, so you can get them fucking dirt cheap. So I'll either pick up another one or get a different one. Regular cable or something, I don't know yet. But I had a kill switch kicking around. Grabbed that bastard. Hooked it up. And I didn't have a place to mount the fucking coil. So it's one of those new Chinese style coils. So it's only one little bolt. So all I did was bend the tab straight that holds the OEM 70 coil. And bolted it right to her. Worked pretty good. So that's finally fucking mounted up. And now she has a CDI box, which is being held there by that little OEM frame wire holder. Just bent it out straight. That little bugger bent her out and then fucking slid it right through. The old carburetor still needs to be fucking worked because it sticks out way too far. Won't be able to get no fucking tank on there. But this was the other problem I ran into. Fucking kickstart. You can't kick the fucking thing. Needless to say, these will not be the fucking wheels and tires on it. I got them over here, but I don't have wheels yet, so figured, fuck it, I got some time, I got a welder, and I got a grinder. We'll make it work. So all I did was fucking chop it straight right off, because all it usually does is go up straight. I chopped it, took a donor piece, scabbed it in to shoot it out, 90 degrees. Then I shot the rest of the top, 90 degrees fucking right back out. You can use it as a hand pull start now. Definitely not able to get much meat on it, but it works. It fucking works, man. And that's what I tested it. I fucking dumped some gas right down there and fucking fired her up. No exhaust on it. It's fucking spitting flames there. It looked pretty sweet. But yeah, just want to show you a little progress I got on this fucker. And recommend, if you don't have the fucking pull start and no shit like that, like I didn't, you can make it work. The only recommendation I would say is make this fucking longer, which I'll probably end up doing eventually. Because if you make it a little bit longer, you definitely have a better throw on it when you're yanking it, you know, because you pull it up. But yeah, not a bad little fucking setup. Alright guys, just wanted to take a little fucking moment and give you an update. I don't think I've even shown this 70 at all. So, we'll see. I got a little PW70, I believe, tank that I had on it. I don't know if I'm going to keep that on it or not, or I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, have a Merry Christmas and Good New Year's.